my God! Wow! No. Oh my. Okay, so guys, this is full tutorial video editing on how you can make this kind of video you just finished watching now. Previously, I dropped the behind the scene of this particular video to tell you the kind of video clips you need to make up this video that you just watched now. So without wasting much time, so let's quickly jump into CapCut video editing app to do the tutorial. So follow me, let's go. So I will open my CapCut video editing app. So this is my CapCut video editing app. I'm using the desktop version. Any version you are using, whether the Android phone, the desktop version, the iPad, they are all the same. They are setting, the features are all the same. So just follow along. So I'll click on create projects. It will take me normally to the main interface of CapCut. So I will click on import, so it will take me to where I have the material that I want to work with, whether in my phone, in my gallery, anywhere it is. It will take you to your desktop so that you can access it. So now I will go quickly to the particular file I want to work on. So I will click on it. I will bring it to this place. So I will drag it down to the timeline. Once I drag it down to the timeline, the next thing I'm supposed to do here is to check to select my video ratio, which is the size of the video that I want to make. I always want to make 9:16, which is Facebook Reel and YouTube Shorts. So what I'm going to do is to click 9:16, which is the portrait. So after that, I will go through this video clip that is here to select the parts that I need and delete the unnecessary parts, the part that we don't need in this very video. If you've watched the behind the scene I dropped, so it will be very easy for you to trim what part that I need in this video. So quickly, the first part that I need in this video is to show where I jumped into the camera. Then I dropped the two cap that I was holding. So come here, come here, come here, come here. So I go a little bit forward. So I'm into the camera now. So I dropped the two cards. So this should be the first clip that I need. So I will split it here. So I will go back a little bit backwards to when I came into the camera. So so I'm going to take it where I start appearing. That should be the first clip. So I have my first clip now. So I'm looking for the second clip now. Should be where I came to pick up the cap. Then I jumped up. I was squatting down, then not jumped up. So this should be my second clip on this video. So I'll cut it off. So I'll take it to where I jumped, then waited for some seconds before moving. So I'll cut it. This is my second clip. So now I'll get this. The third clip now should be when I'm picking the other cap. So I'll go to there. So now I've picked the cap. So let's get when I hair. This should be the right place to take. So I'll delete it, then take it up to the point where I stand and I wanted to move ahead. That should be all. So now we'll all have the three clips that we need for this particular video. So let's start editing. So let me zoom it so that I can see it clearly what I want to do. So I'll take this too close. Okay, zoom in. So let's play the main clip, which is the first one. So please follow along. So I'm going to play the clip. So now I came in, I dropped the cap. So I move a little bit forward. I reacted, and then that's all. The video is over. So I'll cut it off from here. So let's go back again. So now I'm coming back. So immediately I drop the cap. Now immediately I drop the cap. Be watching the cap. Before the cap get to the floor, watch it. Now the cap is at the floor, so I'm going to take it back. Use my play here to take it back. Before the cap get to the floor, let's zoom it so that we can see it very clearly. The cap is not supposed to get to the floor. Okay, here. So what we are going to do now, okay, let me reduce the volume. So I will split it here so that I can know the exact point I'm going to put it. So I split that video there. So I will go back to my second clip now. So here. So go front. Immediately I'm trying to jump up from here. Yeah, I'm trying to jump up. Okay, so go back a little bit. So now I'll split it. I'll delete the left hand side. I don't need it in this video, so I'll do this. So I will now move this entire clip on top of this one. I'm overlaying it, but I'm putting it exactly where I splitted the video on the main timeline. So let's go back, zoom it to see if it's in that very point. So it is in that very point. So okay, I think we are good now. So I'll zoom in back. So play this video. Let's see. So if I play this video here, if I drop the cap, somebody jump up. See, now you are not even seeing the main video. The main video on the timeline, the main character of the video, which the person that dropped the cap. So I'm not seeing it. You are not seeing it. So what we are going to do here, we are going to click. Okay, let's reduce the volume of the video we just lay now. So now I'll click on the video on top, which is this one that I overlaid. So I will click on my marks. So I will click on add marks. So I will click on splits to divide the screen into two. So I will now use this arrow here to rotate it round. Watch, I'm rotating it round. So I've done that. So now I will manually drag it to shift it a little bit from this other side. So now let's play it and watch. So you can always adjust it. So when you play this video this way, I drop the card, somebody appear and the person acted, did all the thing that he did. Okay, the video is okay. So we can expand it a little bit. The video is okay. It's okay. So now we are looking for the second clip now, which is the second cap now. So let's zoom it a little bit again and then play the video again and see. After the first cap, the second cap. Remember, we are not supposed to allow the cap to land on the floor. So I'm going to zoom out to see it very clearly. So I'm going to manually use my playhead to go through it and watch the cap. I don't want the cap to land on the floor. So okay, the cap is close to the floor now, so I can now split my video, the one on the timeline. So I'm going to split it. Why I'm splitting it is to know the exact point where I'm dropping the overlay now. So I will then zoom in back, then go get this clip now. So let's play this clip and know if exactly what we want. So we're picking it immediately. I'm trying to jump up. Okay, so let's go back. Okay, now is the action. So I'm going to delete the other side of it. I don't need it. So I'm going to drag it to overlay it here as well. So come here, zoom out so that you can see the timeline very well, see the line very well. So now I'm going to move my playhead to where I split the video down. So now I'm going to drag this other one and put it exactly on that same line. So now if we play this video now, this is what we're going to have. So if we play this video, we're going to have the first cap, the second person, the same thing. So now we are not seeing any other person again except this person. So we're going to do the same thing we did in the other one, split it by using marks. So I'll click on marks, click on add marks. So we're going to use split now. This time around, you turn it the other way around. So we'll turn it the other way around where we can see just him alone. So manually drag it to the left side now. Drag it to the left side. I think is okay. So when we go back and play this video from the beginning, this is what we're going to have. The cap, yes. So if you watch, so this is our video. So let me put it on a large screen. Okay, so let's do the finishing touching. Come to the end of the video, put your playhead and select and split all so that the video will end at one particular point. So I've split the end of the video. So let's go back, put our video on a larger screen and play it. Okay. Okay, so this is the video. The next thing you're supposed to do here now is to add your sound effect. Add any kind of sound you feel like you want to add in your video, the sound that you love so much. So you go ahead and add your sounds in the video, and this video is good to go. So after that, what I will do is to go and click on export to export my video. So I'll click on export to export it to my gallery to anywhere and start sharing it to different platforms. So guys, if you've watched this video up to this very point, I believe you got value in this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you are watching us from the YouTube, and if you are watching this video from the Facebook, don't forget to click that follow button and don't forget to comment anywhere you do not understand in this detailed video tutorial on how you can make this kind of video, please comment on the comment section and I'll quickly reply you either by making another video to explain to you very well. See you in the next video. Bye bye.